Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing access. Sign into your Microsoft account so OneDrive syncs and metadata stays consistent. Once done, open the Photos app from Start, type Photos, and hit Enter. Make sure you allow the app to access your Pictures folder and OneDrive when prompts appear. This lets Photos index files and show thumbnails quickly. You're now set to import, search, and organize. This first step gets the foundation right so the rest runs smoothly. Now you import and organize. Connect a device or use import from a folder, Photos copies or links items, so choose based on space. Once images are in, select several and click Add to Album, name albums by event or project to keep things tidy. Use favorites and add tags or keywords to each image for faster search later. Make sure to let OneDrive finish syncing, otherwise edits won't appear on other devices. This keeps your collection structured and findable. Finally, edit and share. You can crop, adjust exposure, apply filters, or use the Auto Enhance tool for quick fixes. Keep originals if you may need them later. When ready to share, use the Share button to send a link, export a copy, or pick size and format for email or social. If something goes wrong, say photos are missing, rescan your included folders, verify OneDrive sync status, and as a last resort, reset the Photos app. That usually resolves index or permission issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.